Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for example, Apple, iPhone X, XR, XS, etc. It is also compatible with some Samsung smartphones, Huawei smartphones, LG, etc. I think it was up to 4 inches, and that means it should not be bigger than an iPhone XS. This a little bit bigger. Well, okay. Okay, it is for smartphones, vlog, for YouTubers like me. It is for live entertainment, video recording, with sport Inception mode, face object tracking motion, time-lapse, modus, etc. It is all in the box. It is a gimbal, and I like gimbals. This is my first gimbal I ever bought before, but I'm so because of the gimbal action. It's really nice. I hope so. It's made by Hohem Isteady Mobile Plus. It is an upgraded version. Yeah, upgrade. But I do not know the first thing. For me, it's a wonderful gimbal as well. So, 3D Inception mode proudly present the updated Hohem Gimble stabilizer. This stabilizer features a newly developed Inception mode that would be able to vertically rotate your phone 360 degrees spontaneously when filming. It gives you the master-like video making experience. It is the all-in-one tool for storytellers like me. It is updated sports mode and perfect balance updated modus in one box. The sport mode allows you to shoot incredible smooth shots even while going to extreme modes like running up and down stairs, cycling outdoor, or traveling over rugged terrain. High performance engines realize axis overlap and low angle shoot like a Brazil. 3-axis variable speed adaptation is extremely sensitive to hand movements. With that design, the Hohem Gimble stabilizer transforms hard-to-watch shaky footage into hypnotically smooth professional footage. How this sounds good, and it is good too. I used it before. You can also be a professional director from fast-moving action like sports, for vlogs and interviews, to documentary movies and independent features. The home's design's sophistication and convertibility make it a unique production tool. Aside from modes maintaining the bow, this tool features the base zoom, focus control, all flowing, all rock span following, pan and tilt following modes, and 314 through hole for accessories such as a tripod or a video light. It has endless possibilities via Hohem Gimble app. Enjoy the controlling your movie tool both on your gimbal and in your iOS or Android app today. Slow motion recording, beauty retouching, 360 degrees panorama designs, face object tracking, time-lapse recording and spanning mode. Changing can all be realized in your smartphone app. Ooh, this is a good partner. The smartphone app and this gimbal will be once in your hand. It has a time lapse and an up to 12-hour running time tracking face object and recording all motions in a stable shot for up to 12 hours with the updated time-lapse mode to create dynamic effect reflecting all movement of target objects throughout a day within seconds. This iSteady Mobile Plus gimbal stabilizes lasts up to 12 hours and can also charge your phone at the same time. Okay, it will not get to 12 hours if your phone is charging all the time of the 12 hours, okay? But the built-in battery is strong to get you all day long shoots. It is compatible for the mass mode for smartphones from a 58 to 89 millimeters because it has a phone clip wide. It fits for smartphones under 6 inches screen, not 4, 6 inches. It is for iPhone X and X Max, XX, XR, X8 Plus, 8, 7, all 7 devices, all 6 devices, Samsung Galaxy S10, S Plus, S9, S8 Plus, S7, S6, etc. The Huawei P30 Pro, the P30 itself, the P20 Pro, P10, P10 Plus, P9, Mate 10, and Mate 9, and Mate 8, and so many other smartphones because it has a multifunction clamp here. And if your smartphone is under 6 inches, it will match here. And it is easy to use, easy to hold. And it has a 3D Inception mode. It has a sport mode, fast record every moving, various time-lapse features, the exclusive tracking motion lapse, time-lapse, motion lapse, hyperlapse, and track lapse. Turn everyday situation into an incredible moments with their time-lapse functions. Beauty retouching. Featuring with beauty retouching, earning your charm in the video too. Slow motion mode. That is for the happy hour. It makes the time becomes longer. You have a 12-hour time for using that gimbal running. The built-in 4000 mAh battery provides 12 hours long run time. What's more, the gimbal can also be used as a power bank too for charging your camera by the USB power output. Or you can reload your smartphone too. For panning mode, for your creative videos, 3D Inception mode allows you to take vertically rotation videos. Unlock your creativity with 4 different shooting modes: pan follow, pan and tilt flow, all locked and all follow, which can meet the most of the shooting themes. Stable and smooth videos. Upgrade sport mode provide fast following feature for you. No matter how rough the road you are walking is, no matter how fast of your speed you are going to travel, just keep your video stable and record every moment without missing moments. Hohem Isteady Mobile Plus. Be the director of your life, I say. Then this is true. It is an awesome product. It has a good quality and it's easy to handle. You will need a little bit training for it, but you can handle this. I will explain some information about each mode later this video. You have a sport mode, fast following, quick translation. You have a trigger button on the top side. And you can choose the joystick on top to rotate the cam. The dimensions are 3.23 inches to 9.61 inches, and it weighs about 1 lb. These are around about 400 grams or 500 grams, and it's easy to use. Mechanical range is a pan 600 degrees, roll 320 degrees, tilt 320 degrees. The weight was 1 lb. The phone clip wide is 2.28 inches up to 3.1 inches. The running time is 12 hours. Working temperature is 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. The external port is 3/1/4 port. The compatibility, all the smartphones under 6 inches are compatible with this device. The trigger button is 1 click for sport mode, keep pressing. The 2 is recenter, double click. The app will have object facing tracking, object face tracking, beauty retouching, tracking motion time-lapse, slow motion, 180 degrees or 360 degrees panorama shooting, focus and zoom, gimbal parameter settings, camera parameter settings, and app auxiliary calibration mode. This all you can get for to have, or you will get with this product, the 3-axis gimbal stabilization for smartphones by Hohem. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.